Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera watermark at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left to this button. By tapping on this we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features. At the last position here we have the watermark. As you can see, by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works. And also when we tap on the center we get access to more settings about the watermark. We have the same button so we can turn it on and off here. As you can see, we have also the quick preview, so here we can see the device watermark, Samsung camera shot with my Galaxy Tab A7. For now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. And from here let's go to this button. When we tap on this we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our picture and the watermark is here in the left corner at the bottom. Let me get closer to it. And this is how it looks like. Of course, when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the camera, then to the settings from the left, slide again to the useful features, tap on this button here, like that, or tap on the center and use this button here. So for now this is turned off. When we take another picture, the watermark should be not visible at it. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.